This is the only destination trailer that you need to see this year. And the best part of the whole thing starts outside. This is a slide out patio deck. You have 9.5 foot of outside space when this is slid out. It is massive. If you take a look up top, you will see Blade lighting, JBL speakers, a ceiling fan, but just in case that doesn't get you quite cool enough, take a look at that. It has built-in misters. That way it keeps you cool all day long, even on the hottest of days. And if you want to do some cooking out here, they got you all set up. You will see that you have aluminum cabinetry out here, so it'll be fine in the rain. You have the cover on your 25-inch griddle that's built in, just like you might have on your patio in the backyard. Open this up, you will see the sink and faucet right here, and underneath is your beverage fridge, plus additional storage space so you have enough room for a trash can. The living room features decorative shelving, a JBL entertainment system, 50-inch TV, 60-inch fireplace, residential window treatments, and a gorgeous J lounge. As soon as you step in through the sliding glass door, you are greeted with the JBL Multimedia Center. There are speakers inside as well as outside on the deck. Right next to that is that big 50-inch TV that comes standard, and underneath that, the gorgeous 60-inch fireplace that doubles as a space heater. And where are you going to sit and enjoy the TV? Well, right across the way on your J lounge. The thing I love about this is it also comes with this ottoman. You have big storage there as well, so if you want to throw blankets in there, you can. Otherwise, you can just have them nice and decorative like this. Plenty of seating. This also folds out into a king-size bed. I love the window treatments. You have residential style blinds. And then right behind that, you will see the bamboo roller shades. And in this particular model on the Veranda 42, those are going to be motorized. So at the touch of a button, you can drop one or all of them at the same time. The kitchen is as functional as it is elegant, with the waterfall solid surface kitchen island, multi-purpose sink with glass washer, additional prep space alongside the 4-burner cooktop and residential refrigerator, large pull-out pantry, and incredible lighting up top. The main focal point of the kitchen, of course, is going to be this beautiful center island. The thing I like about this is that this is where I like to sit down and have a meal as a family. And that's exactly what you get, sitting around the kitchen island, playing games, having a meal. The sink in here is fantastic too. You have the glass rinser right over to the side. You have the vegetable rinser. You can see the cutting board, additional space right here. The soap dispenser, everything you need built into one. And of course, it's a pull-out faucet. Underneath, there is additional storage space, so you have enough room for a trash can. And then across the way is going to be even more countertop prep space. You have good space on both sides here. Again, that beautiful solid surface. 4-burner cooktop instead of 3, and take a look at the size of that oven. You can easily cook a Thanksgiving turkey in there. Microwave up top, additional storage. Of course, you have drawers over here, and they kick it all off, or finish it rather, with a residential fridge and freezer. And whether it's day or night, it's going to be nice and bright in here. You have the huge windows letting in a ton of natural light, and you have Blade lighting strips all the way across. Right here in the center are the Olympic rings, just really brightening up this main kitchen space, and I love it. And the front half of the Veranda 42 has a loft up above it. And I mean, this is not just a normal loft. This is like New York City apartment size loft. It's huge. So as you can see, it is extremely spacious up here. You have this table space, and what they've done is they have a cutout for my feet. So my feet are actually able to go down here, making this a very usable space. Whether they want to eat up here, play games, this is great for children. You have additional storage here. You have a USB ports on this side. Nice big TV on a swing arm mount. So if you want, you can take these chairs that come with it. You can put it right over there and watch TV. Or you can lay in bed because you have a queen size bed up here, still be able to see the TV, and you have a ton of storage up here too. The large vanity has solid surface countertops, additional linen storage right over to this side, beautiful wraparound in the shower with your shower tower, some built-in storage above the toilet, and the toilet itself is a porcelain bowl. The vanity in here, I think, is properly sized. You have a lot of space over to the side. The sink is big enough. The linen linen storage right over to the side here. Plus you have additional storage underneath in the form of a drawer. I'd like to actually get one. All open storage down below. Also, I want you to notice slow close drawers. Stepping into the shower, you can see the decorative surround here. You have the big shower tower built in, and this one does have a tankless water heater for near limitless hot water. You'll see the built-in shelf right up top with a towel bar built into it. And right down below is the toilet. It is a porcelain bowl. You can see I have great shoulder space, plenty of leg room here too. The bedroom features a versatile king-size bed, washer dryer prep, huge wardrobe, a dresser, and windows all the way around the front. As we step up into the bedroom, you will see the king bed. Now, first when VersaTilt came out, I wasn't a huge fan of it, but here's the thing I really do like about it is that while it raises up, yes, it can kind of tilt up and give you some additional reading space, but what's even better in my mind is all the space you gain right down at the foot of the bed. This makes it nice and easy to walk around in the bedroom, and I think that that is the true benefit of having this system. You will also see big wardrobe storage right here. There's a hanging rod across the top, a couple large drawers down underneath, plus of course we have the dresser at the foot of the bed, and right over to the side is going to be washer and dryer prep. Now if you don't want washer and dryer, they did go ahead and put a hanging rod in there so you have that additional space to hang the clothes. And again, the windows in here are incredible. If you have a beautiful view out the front of your campsite, you are going to love waking up in the morning. Now outside, you'll not only notice the amazing amount of windows that allow you to see your campsite, but you'll also see that they have standard foldable steps on both entries. They did that intentionally so you can fold these up in case you plan to park this permanently and you already have a deck in place, or if you want to install one, you're able to do that. You'll also see this serving tray. I know this is a huge feature on some of the other Salem and Wildwood destination trailers. They brought it in here and I think it was a great choice. And lastly, I do want to point out the fact that they have outside TV hookup. So if you want to sit out underneath the two giant awnings and watch TV, you're not going to be limited with the Veranda 42.